Yes, I'm playing with the AK.
Oh, yo, Yossi, so get the fuck out my way.
It's always my birthday, what you say?
I'm Bulldog, I don't fucking play. I'm Tough Puppy, but I ain't fucking gay. I'm Simba, boy, I'll beat you till you turn gray.
I'm off for you, I'm here to fuck it up. Nigga, Hunter Monster, get this motherfucker. No! Hold on. I am Inuyasha. Got an easy song like I'm Kanye. Kikyo and Kagome. Inuyasha, I send shots at your papa. You don't want no beef, knock out your fucking teeth. I'm finally with my own Chief Keef. Now these niggas acting like they want beef. Then I knock out their teeth. They don't know what I'm about. They don't know what I'm about. Hit them in their fucking mouth. They try to run away. But I got the goons from the north and the south. So you better back up when you get slapped up.
Our friend here is alive.
I'm skilled in no such magics.
Damn, your voice is sexy. You sexy ass bitch. Damn. Man, I'm kinda getting tired, man. But hey, I like this episode, bro. Wait, what the fuck is all that noise? Hold on.
I don't give a fuck. I don't kill them. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. No, I don't kill. I'm gonna kill that nigga. I'm gonna kill him. I don't give a fuck.
Calm the fuck down. Why are you acting like this?
I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna fucking murder him. I'm crazy. I'm not calm. I'm crazy. I'm crazy.
Had to knock him out. He never act like this. This is fucking weird. Simba, are you okay?
Stay away from me, boy. Stay away from me, please. Please stay away from me, boy. Stay away from me, boy. Stay away from me, boy.
What the fuck? Simba. He never act like he was scared. Why he's acting like what? I'm so fucking confused. My brain is gonna fucking explode because I'm so fucking confused. What the fuck? No, I'm gonna go talk to Yoyasa. He might know what the fuck's going on, man. I'm dumb as shit. 2 plus 2 equals $50. 2 plus 2 equals a candy wrapper. Okay, Yoyasi, you're acting weird. I thought you were smart. Why are you acting like an idiot? Can someone tell me what's going on? I'm so fucking confused. Today is not my birthday. Wait, what? It's not my fucking birthday, man. I don't like birthdays, bro. Nigga, are you fucking dumb? I don't like birthdays, I always liked Christmas. You like Christmas now? You're a dumbass. What? I'm a mother. He always told me he fucking hated Christmas. This is fucking weird, yo. What the fuck is going on? I'm gonna go to bed. I'm so fucking confused. I'm going to sleep. And I'm gonna bring my Kikyo with me to bed. So you know what can happen. So good night, y'all. Let's go to bed, Kikyo. Hey, welcome to our news. I'm Mickey Mouse father. I'm not a faggot. Yeah, cause that's just weird. Why be a faggot? And I got myself a job and everything. So yeah, hey y'all. Today, we're gonna be telling y'all news for our news story. The most successful man on this planet. You can go now. Yes, it's me. Raphael. The most successful man on this planet. Do you want to tell them how successful you are and how you got success? Yes, I got success because I went to school and I did all my work. I did my math problems. It was pretty easy because they were pretty freaking easy. I got my math problems done, and I also, got done with college. So, oh yeah, I graduated college. So now I'm gonna move on with my life. What you gonna do with your life now? Me? I think I'm gonna be, I always wanted to be a business person. Always wanted to do business work and stuff. Me? Yeah. I always wanted to be a doctor. I went to college to be a doctor, and my money, I tried hard, and I finally got the opportunity to be a doctor. Yes, I want to be a doctor, and yeah. Since you're so smart, huh? Tell us a math problem. I'm gonna give you a hard one. What is affinity times 100? Oh, since it's... What is... Oh, yeah. Well, alright, so since you think it's so easy, huh? So, what is 5 times 10? Easy. 50. It equals 50. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna go, do my doctor job. And, oh, please, Raphael, come with us. We love you. Ah, yes. So I have to go see my girlfriends, because I got a couple of baddies. Oh, yeah. Come here, Raphael. Alright, I'm gonna come here right now. That's for y'all, yokes. Well, y'all seen it yourselves. Raphael became a doctor, completed college, and became the strongest man on earth, and also became the biggest ladies man. You just seen he's in a big Jeep full of ladies. So yeah, that's for all for today for news. I'm gonna go see my son.
Had a hard day of work. Another day. What you looking at, pussy? You wanna beef with me, nigga? Look, man, I'm not about that life, and I'm not trying to fight, okay? You wanna fight about it, nigga? You know what? We can take this in court. You wanna go to court? Court? Nigga, I'm about to join some hands. Nah, I don't got time for this, man. I got better things to do in my life. Wow. No one wants to fight me. No!
Huh? Hey, nigga, hey, get off, bro, get off! I've seen a lot of germs, and I hate it. I hate dirty. I hate dirtiness. I want this egg clean. We're gonna clean all of this up. We're gonna wash all your blankets. It's dirty. I can't take it no more. It's too fucking dirty. Bruh, you know you just fucking woke my ass up. I thought you was about taking shits and being dirty. Bro, I guess I can't sleep, bro. What the fuck? I can't take this no more. This is stressing me fucking out. Yo, Yossi, what the fuck are you doing, bro? I guess I'm being an Asian dumbass. Nigga. I'm cleaning the wall. I like being an idiot. It's so fun. Fuck is going on? I'm so fucking confused. My mind hurts because I don't understand shit. Wait, Inuyasha? Please tell me you didn't fucking change too. Look here, man. I'm gonna let you know. I had to fight this bad guy, man. And he teleported you and me to this whole universe, man. So everything you're seeing is not real. This is all an illusion. The only way you can get out of this is that you wake up from your dream because you under control of some shit. Just letting you know, man. Oh no, man. Oh no, man. You're trying to control me. Oh no. Oh no. I am idiotic Yasa. I'm idiotic Yasa. I'm idiotic Ya. How do I fucking wake up? How do I fucking wake up from this? Nigga? So you're telling me you're the one that controlled it? One-Eye Jack, huh? Well, guess what, One-Eye Jack? I'm not letting this slide. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Yo! I'm out of the dream! Yes! You know what that means? We haven't done the whole fucking episode. Roughly, though.
No, please, no, please,
Yes!
no, please, I'm so sorry, please, leave me alone, please,
You're not smart, no fucking more.
please, no!
No, my God.